Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting opportunities to make money online from the comfort of your own home. In today's video, I have something truly remarkable to share with you. We'll be delving into the world of adult coloring books and how thousands of people are generating life-changing income by selling them online. So if you're interested in learning how to create and sell your own coloring book, stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in. You might be surprised to learn that adult coloring books have become a lucrative market, with many creators earning substantial sums of money. For example, I recently came across an adult coloring book that generated over $150,000 in sales. And this is not an isolated case. There are thousands of people out there who have transformed their lives by selling coloring books online. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to tap into this profitable niche and start your own coloring book business. The first step in creating a successful coloring book is finding the right topic. Popular themes often revolve around nature, animals, scenery, or stress-relieving designs. To discover the most popular topics, I turn to ChatGPT, an AI language model that can provide valuable insights. In my case, I decided to make a coloring book about cats, the second best animal in the world, after dogs of course. To narrow it down, I asked ChatGPT about the 30 most popular cat breeds, and those became the basis for my coloring book. To ensure your coloring book stands out from the competition and generates sales, it's crucial to study similar books and understand what customers liked and disliked about them. Reading reviews can provide with valuable insights into what features people appreciate. For example, in the coloring book that I mentioned earlier, customers liked the thickness of the pages and the absence of bleed through when coloring. On the other hand, some negative reviews mentioned issues with the cuttings of the drawings and the lack of sophistications in the designs. Now it's time to actually make a coloring book. Fortunately, we have an amazing tool called Midjourney AI to help us with that. By joining their Discord server, you can access their image generation bot. Once you're in, use the /imagine command followed by a prompt. In our case, for an adult coloring book, we used coloring page for adult mandala cat image and specify the type of cat, such as an American bobcat. You can also customize details like the background, line art style, the aspect ratio to fit the desired dimensions. Generate multiple images and choose the one that appeals to you the most. With the generated images in hand, it's time to assemble your coloring book. I recommend using a design tool like Canva, which offers templates and a user-friendly interface. Create a template with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches or standard paper size. Import the images and add them to separate pages, ensuring they are centered and properly sized. Add a border around each image, leaving some space on all sides. To address the thickness issue, insert a blank page between each image, reducing bleed through. Don't forget to include additional pages like a title page, back page, and a glossary. The glossary is particularly useful for readers to easily locate specific images they're interested in. Add each image from your coloring book and shrink them to fit on this page. Then provide a brief description or a label for each image, mentioning the corresponding page number. This feature enhances the usability of your coloring book and helps readers to find their favorite designs quickly. Now let's dive into the exciting process of designing the cover for your coloring book. To begin, create a separate template in Canva that adheres to the specific dimensions required by Amazon KDP, typically around 17.345 by 11.25 inches. This ensures your cover fits perfectly and meets the platform's guidelines. Next, head back to Midjourney.ai, the powerful AI tool that we mentioned earlier. Utilize its image generation capabilities to create a captivating thumbnail image for your cover. Experiment with different styles and prompts, focusing on elements that resonate with your coloring book's theme. For instance, a multicolored cat mandala might be a fantastic choice for a cat-themed coloring book. Remember to set the aspect ratio to match Amazon KDP's requirements, maintaining the optimal visual appeal for your cover. Once you've found a thumbnail image that catches your eye, return to Canva and add it to the right side of your cover template. Take care to ensure the image fits well and grabs attention. Alongside the image, incorporate a clear and readable title that effectively communicates the essence of your coloring book. You want potential buyers to be instantly captivated by the cover and intrigued to explore what lies inside. Feel free to experiment with various design elements, such as adjusting opacity, choosing an appropriate background, and tweaking other visual aspects to make your cover truly unique and visually striking. Now that your coloring book is ready, it's time to bring it to the market. We'll be using Amazon KDP to publish and sell our book. Head over to KDP, sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. Click on Create Paperback and enter essential details like the language and the book title. To craft a compelling description, you can rely on ChatGPT to generate a description tailored to your adult coloring book. Specify the style, in our case mandala, and theme, cats, to attract potential buyers. On the next page, you'll come across an ISBN number. If you choose to get a free ISBN from Amazon, remember that it limits your selling options to Amazon only. If you plan to sell on other platforms like Etsy, you'll need to obtain your own ISBN, which may involve a cost. Visit the description for a link to more information on ISBN acquisition. Now that you've created your coloring book and its cover, it's time to format and upload it to Amazon KDP. On the next page, select black and white interior since most coloring books feature black and white pages for coloring. Make sure to keep the trim size consistent with your template, which is typically 8.5 by 11 inches. Choosing no bleed ensures that there is no overlap of images beyond the page edges. Additionally, opt for a glossy cover to enhance the overall look and feel of your book. Once you've made these selections, proceed to upload your interior pages manuscript. Double-check that the content that you're uploading matches the design and layout you created earlier. Next, upload the cover that you designed using Canva. It's crucial to ensure that your cover meets Amazon KDP specifications, and to avoid any issues, you can utilize the KDP Amazon Cover Calculator, which will guide you in achieving the correct dimensions. Finally, it's time to review your book before making it available for purchase. Click the launch preview to ensure that everything appears exactly as you intended. Take this opportunity to thoroughly examine your book's formatting, layout, and overall presentation. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections if needed to ensure a polished and a professional final product. Congratulations on successfully publishing your coloring book on Amazon! Now let's discuss the financial aspects of your venture. When selling through Amazon's KDP platform, they will retain a 40% cut of your book's sales price as a publishing fee. For instance, if you set your coloring book's price at $10, Amazon will deduct $4, leaving you with $6 as your portion of the sale. This is an important factor to consider when determining your pricing strategy. From this remaining amount, you'll need to account for the printing cost, which is typically $2 to $3 a book. Subtracting this cost, you can expect to take home around $3 to $4 in pure passive income for each coloring book sold. It's important to note that these figures may vary depending on factors like book size, page count, and any additional features you offer. Remember to consider any potential additional costs or taxes imposed by the government, which can vary depending on your location and individual circumstances. Consulting with a financial professional is always a wise idea to ensure that you have a clear understanding of your tax obligations and can manage your finances effectively. And that's it! You've learned how to create and sell your own adult coloring book online. By following these steps, you can tap into the growing market of coloring book enthusiasts and potentially generate a significant income. Remember, finding a popular and a unique topic, using AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to generate images, and designing an attractive cover are crucial for success. Don't forget to promote your coloring book on various platforms, including social media, blogs, and relevant communities. Building an online presence and engaging with your target audience will help you increase sales and attract more customers. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I wish you the best of luck in your coloring book venture. Remember, with determination, creativity, and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Until next time, take care and happy coloring!